Here we have the new 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This is the TRD Off-Road 4x4 edition. As we look down here, you're going to see we got the 16-inch alloy wheels with tire pressure monitoring system, and it has the Goodyear Wrangler Kevlar belted sidewall tires. Comes with mud flaps, the non-painted fender wells. You're going to get signal lights on the mirror here, painted door handles. As we come along the front, you get the LED daytime running lights just around the headlights. Fog lights. Now this has the Toyota safety sense. So you're going to have the millimeter wave radar behind the Toyota symbol and the camera up behind the rearview mirror. That's going to give you your pre-collision system with warning and automatic braking, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and radar cruise control. Now on the passenger side here, it's got power windows, power locks, chrome door handles. As we look down, you get the all-season mats, at least in the Canadian models. Otherwise, it comes with carpet, I believe. It's got the cloth stitching, or the cloth seats. And then as we move into the back, and you get, bottle holders in the doors too. Now the back seats, just like previous generation Tacomas, the base will flip up. And then you have storage just underneath here with your jack and tools and everything that way. And then if you pop the headrests off from up top here, they do fit just into these slots right here. And then the back of the seat will also go flat like that with kind of like the hard composite plastic on the back of the seat there too. And a little bit of storage in behind that you can kind of use for hidden storage. Now, just like the Sport model, you do get a power sliding rear view window. And a little tip here, if you do have the double cab versions, if you put the seats tucked up in there versus having them like that, when you fold the seat back down, you can pull this out and then your seat belt latch is just on top there. Okay, now the Tacomas have the hard composite caps on the top of the box, so if you set something there, you're not setting it on metal. And then a few little things that they have, they've added in 2016 the rubber stripping here to reduce wind noise between the cab and the box. You're going to get 3M tape through here, the hard plastic fender or rear plastic protection there. Now it is a 3-piece rear bumper, so if you do happen to get dinged or scratched, you can replace the corner pieces instead of the whole entire bumper like the 15 and older Tacomas. You're going to get the 7 and 4-pin wire harness here, full-size spare tire with the steel rim, and then it's got the Bilstein shocks as well. And of course your hitch and everything too. It is a tail, just like the Tundras. It has the soft drop tailgate. Then you hit the hard composite bed. So this actually is the box. It's not a liner. So it basically gives you a dent-free, very, very strong box. Now you're also going to get the bed rail system that runs along the sides. You get the corner tie downs as well as the D-rings in the base. And if you wanted to, you can actually set up a shelf system. You can put like 1x6s across here, and then you can put an actual board across to almost make a dual shelf system on the Tacoma for storage. You get the power outlet in the bed, and then you get storage in the side here. Now, one of the changes for 2019 is they did remove the storage on the driver's side, but I'm not 100% sure how many people used it anyways. And it is a locking tailgate too with a backup camera there. As you move over to the driver, still a manual seat, but you get lumbar support for your lower back. And then you're going to get power windows, power locks, power mirrors, like I said, automatic high beams. Little fun tip for the driver's side, I guess, or if you flip this to your daytime running light mode, which in Canada is on anyways, but if you put it to that mode in both Canada and the States, this will actually turn your fog lights on without your headlights being on. Otherwise, if you put auto, push this forward, you get automatic headlights and high beams. Now inside here, you got your full multi-information display, push button start, and it is shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. So you can go from 2 to 4 up to 80 or 100 kilometers an hour. Heated mirrors, you get the ECT power button, power sliding rear window, and USB for your phone. Dual climate control with heated seats. You get navigation, satellite radio, Bluetooth, maintenance reminders, and a few things like that. And then up in here, you're going to see the you got the HomeLink system for your garage door, which if you ever want to program it, if you go to homelink.com, it tells you exactly how to do it. And then up in here, we're going to have a manual locking rear diff, whereas the Sport model will have the automatic limiting slip. And you get the multi-terrain select with crawl control with the different speed there as well. And then as you look into here, you're going to have your compass, distance till empty. I know we're out of gas on this one, but it's new, just landed. And then as you go over, you're going to have your lane departure alert, what music's playing, which all of the lane departure alert and radar cruise can be set here. You have a favorite buttons that you can set to save a favorite screen that you like to see. And then you have your phone and steering wheel audio controls, as well as your push to talk system. Other than that, if you have any questions, leave a comment or like and subscribe below. This is Mike Linterman at Mayfield Toyota. Thanks for watching.